Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new KyBrow. So this is the brow collection, the first brow collection from Kylie Cosmetics, and it comes with a bunch of stuff. Let me open it. If I can open it, shoot. KyBrow! This is a PR box. Hold up, stuff's falling. Stuff is falling. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. So it comes with 6 powders, 6 pomades, 6 pencils, 6 highlighters, you can see here, and a brow gel here. Oh, and there's a brow brush. So my first impressions of just the undertones of all the shades, I think they look pretty good. The lighter color isn't too gray. The deeper shades aren't too gray. They're not too red. The only shade that has a little bit of red in it is the auburn color, and it's supposed to be red. But for me, like, I hate using a brow product with any type of red undertone because it kind of picks up on my skin. So I do like that all of the shades are pretty neutral. I think that kind of works well in any brow color, no matter your situation. So my first impressions, I do like that. Also, I love dark matte brow highlight. This is like not really common. Look at that. Perfect shade of highlight under the brow. Most of the brow highlights that I've seen are super light and they're usually super pink. If they are darker, they're kind of more frosted. So I feel like she really did make this for a deeper skin tone, and I do appreciate that. Like, this is bomb. I'm gonna use this, okay, over and over again. This is definitely going in my, it's going on my makeup desk, okay? Everything I use is on my makeup desk. One more product I want to show you before we start the application are the pencils. You can see they're super thin. I don't know if you guys can even see that right there. They're super thin, so this is really easy to get like small little lines, which I'll do like right up in here. I don't really use a pencil every day, but if I do, I just use it right in there. And the pomades are kind of like a standard pomade. I did notice that Dark and Ebony are super close. Like, they almost look identical. So in this video, you'll see me try both of them on. I'm actually gonna do 2 different brows. So I'm gonna use the Ebony on one brow and the dark brown on the other. Yeah, are we gonna do that? Yeah, let's just do that so you guys can see the colors. But just first impression overall, it looks good so far. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I'm really just gonna do this eyebrow on camera so you guys can see it, because obviously I do the same thing on both brows, but I'm kind of curious to try dark brown. So I'm gonna fill in my brows on this side just with dark brown, and I'll even it out later, but I just want you guys to see it because this shade right here is kind of like what I like to put on my brows. I don't like my brows too dark because I feel like it makes them look like angry because they're so thick. So I'm gonna put dark brown, and also just so you guys can see, in which brow? This brow. Whenever I look in the monitor, I always get like flipped. All right. And you guys know I change my hair color, you know, all the time. So I do like to have options. This is actually going on darker. Ooh, this is kind of going on darker than I thought. It's not a bad thing. It's just I definitely thought it was like gonna be almost the same color as my hair. See how light they look? Not mad at this. So I feel like if you have black hair, you should wear a dark brown in your brows. I hate black brows. Like, I feel like they're just like way too harsh. I feel like in certain, you know, occasions, people can get away with black brows, but for the most part, I think it looks a little bit softer and more natural when they're a little lighter than your hair color. Okay, so I'm just gonna completely fill this in and compare it to the Ebony brow powder duo. Change of plans. So this is going on a lot darker than it looks. So what I'm gonna do is apply dark brown on this brow and Ebony on this brow so you guys can see both of them. And yeah, I think that's gonna be the plan. The only thing is with this, I know I'm not gonna use this light color. I mean, I guess I can mix it when I have lighter hair, but I'll probably just use this, you know? All right, since we're gonna do this, I need to move my mirror so you guys can see what's happening up in here. Come closer. Lots happening off camera right now, folks. Okay, So I want to try the pencil too, so I'm going to apply the dark brown pencil. So I'm just going to fill in right here, the front of my brow, the inside part of my brow, whatever you want to call this area here with the pencil. I like my brow to look like hair is just going up. Like I don't like it to look like there's a thick amount of product here. So that's why I'm kind of using the pencil and drawing like little lines up. And I do like that this pencil is thin. When the pencil's too thick, it's like this area gets too thick, it's a hot mess. Not too shabby. That looks pretty good. Okay, just for sake of trying everything, this is a dark brown brow pomade. And I'm gonna apply this just on the outside, like the outer corner of my brow, and I'm gonna draw a thin line underneath. This is just gonna give it like some dimension, make it look real cute. I love when brows have like a really soft line at the base. Dark brown's looking like a winner. Dang, now I'm thinking Ebony's gonna be too dark. I'm over here like, this is kind of like the color, you know? All right, so I'm gonna clean up under the brow with dark matte brow highlight. And I'm just gonna draw a line under the brows. Love this color. I don't know why most brands only have like a super light brow highlight. And it's like, yeah, I could use it, but like barely, you know, I have to be super delicate. So I like that she came out with like a darker color. Look at that. So this could be used just to really clean up and sharpen the brow. Okay, let's try Ebony on this side. All right, I'm gonna start with the lighter shade from Ebony, this like dark brown. I would never use this color, it's just way too dark. I don't like my brows to be that dark, and I have a heavy hand, so that just it's just gonna lead to a mess. And I cleaned off my brush. This color could kind of get it too, you know? They're really similar, these shades. This actually might be like a little bit richer than this side. Oh yeah, it is a little darker. Which one do I like better? I wish, damn, these shades, are they the same? No, this is a little bit richer. I almost wish the lightest shade from here and the darkest shade from here were in duo together, and maybe it could be called like, what is it, dark brown? Brown or something? You know what I mean? Like these two. Because I could kind of wear any one of these. Dang, this is hard. I'm over here trying to like figure out which one I like better. I feel like it's not about to happen. Let's see, Ebony, okay. So this is the Ebony Pencil. Oh yeah, this is dark. You guys see it? Ebony's a little too dark for me. I don't like my brows to be that dark. If you have a heavy hand, definitely go with dark brown. If you have a super light touch and you have really dark hair, you could probably get away with this, but yeah, a little too dark for me. All right, now let's try the brow pomade, which looks a lot like the dark brown brow pomade. This is called Ebony, another Ebony. And I'm just gonna put this, just like I did with the other brow, I'm gonna draw a line underneath and kind of fill it in on the outside here. So with a light touch, I could definitely use this. I'm leaning more towards dark brown though, like all together. They're super similar. Look, and see how like, it's almost like dark and my brows look like, All right, I'm gonna clean up under my brows with dark matte brow highlight. That looks real cute. They're almost like the same color, isn't that crazy? Let me see, let me get a good look at you. Honestly, they kind of do look like the exact same color. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe this is like a hair darker. So Ebony, dark brown, just so you can see the difference. They're super close. Dark brown is just a little bit lighter. So if you have black hair and you like that dark brow, definitely go with Ebony. Everyone else, dark brown. Well, if you have like dark brown hair to brown hair, this one. Oh, let me apply the gel. How about that? This is a clear brow gel, which I never use clear brow gels. Like rarely. They're almost even. I don't even need to do anything. So I'm gonna slightly even out my brows off camera, and then I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on the new KyBrows. Ooh, my brows look kind of nice right now. They're a little darker than what I usually do, but they are popping. Okay, do I like the brow products? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. I feel like, okay, if you have a brow product that you love and you you just like are obsessed with, stick with it. But if you're interested in trying something new, maybe give it a try. I definitely think I'm more of like a dark brown versus the ebony, even though they are kind of close in color. You know what? I think I'm gonna reuse and like start using the powder and the pomade. I haven't used a pomade in my brows in like forever because I think I was getting carried away with it. My brows were starting to look too like, you know, Sharpie-ish. They lost its touch, so I stopped using the pomade. But after seeing this, I really like how clean my brows look, and the pomade kind of gave it that definition. So I will be using that product again. I think the only thing that I'm not going to use is a clear brow gel. I just never use clear brow gels ever, you know, but I'll be using the powders. Oh, the one other thing that I do wish, where's my powder at? I do wish that the dark brown color, the lightest shade in the dark brown, was like a little bit darker. I feel like that's like the only thing that I have to complain about. Other than that, I do think the shades look really bomb. Like everything's looking really good right now. You know what I'm saying? So boom, there you have it. I'd recommend the powder, the pomade, ooh, and the brow highlighter and the darkest shade, the dark matte. That was everything. And I feel like that's one thing that you probably can't find with another brand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick little brow toot / review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and last but not least, strut and slay.